Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to apply a simple decal to a car window surface like this. The first step in applying a decal is to ensure that the surface you'll be applying the decal is thoroughly cleaned. I'll be applying the decal in this area here, and so I've already taken just some general cleaner and wiped it down. You can see it's fairly clean there. The other thing you may want to consider doing is taking a clay bar and then doing a clay treatment to the area of the application site. Once that's all done, I typically will take just your standard isopropyl alcohol. This is 70%, straight 70%, and then spray and clean and wipe down the area that you are wanting to apply the decal to. Now, I wipe in a larger area than I need to, because what I'm also doing is cleaning around. If I'm only doing one small section, it might be dirty elsewhere, so I'm kind of cleaning around so none of that extra dirt, it reduces the chance of any of that stuff getting up there. Now this is my decal. Right now it's on the backing paper and on the transfer tape, or transfer paper in this case. So what you might want to do first as a tip is kind of get a roll of masking tape, break a piece or two of it off, and kind of center or get your decal generally in the place that you want it to be. Alright. And then what you can do from there is use the tape to basically hold it in place for you. That way, if you get another piece here, you can kind of see what generally it's going to look like while it's on the surface there. So let me zoom in here just a little bit. Okay, maybe move it over closer. Alright, and so backing up here just a little bit, it looks about where I want it to be, mostly centered. Now, one thing with the backing paper on, it can kind of give you a false sense of actually how big or where the actual decal is. So try to keep into account where the decal is in relation to where you want to apply it. After that, once you've got it centered and take a look, you can take one side of it off, and on something that's kind of wide like this, I like to kind of do a hinge method here, where I'll just take that, hold it down, and basically start from the center. And I'm using my finger, but I also recommend using something like a squeegee or a or maybe a gift card or credit card, and basically squeegee that down. Okay, and so what I'm doing now is just taking this, I'm holding this up and I'm sliding the squeegee down there. Okay, and we'll lift up the other side. And basically we're going to do the same, so I'm just going to lift this up a little bit. Take that, hold it up, taking the hard side of the squeegee here, and sliding this down. Sliding it down to apply, just like that. Make sure it's pressed on firmly, and then you can peel back the transfer tape. And there you go. So here's just an up close of the decal itself as applied. And as you saw from the process, pretty easy. Just basically get it centered and or placed where about you want it to go. Peel off the backing paper so that the sticker is on the transfer tape, and then carefully and slowly apply it to the surface you're going to place the decal on. Hopefully you found this video to be instructive and informative. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Thanks, guys.